Hello everyone, myself Karthike, and today's session we will discuss about fundamental rights. So fundamental rights are the basic rights that are guaranteed to every citizen of India. These rights are enshrined in the Constitution of India under Part 3 from Articles 12 to 35. The Constitution recognizes six fundamental rights, namely, so first one, right to equality. This includes equality before law, prohibition of discrimination on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth, and equality of opportunity in the matters of public employment. Next, right to freedom. This includes freedom of speech and expression, freedom of assembly, association or union, freedom of movement, freedom to reside and settle in any part of the country, freedom to practice any profession or occupation. Next, third one, right against exploitation. This includes prohibition of forced labor, child labor and trafficking of human beings. So next, fourth one, right to freedom of religion. This includes freedom of conscience and the right to freely profess, practice and propagate any religion. Next, fifth one, cultural and educational right. This includes the right to preserve one's language, script and culture and the right to education. Next, sixth one, right to constitutional remedies. This includes the right to move the Supreme Court or the High Court for the enforcement of fundamental rights. The Constitution guarantees these fundamental rights to all the citizens without any discrimination. These rights are not absolute and can be restricted by the state in certain circumstances such as national security, public order, morality or health. However, any such restriction must be reasonable and in accordance with the procedure established by law. Fundamental rights are essential for the protection of individual liberty and dignity. They ensure that every citizen is treated equally and with respect. The Constitution provides for their enforcement through the judiciary, which is empowered to strike down any law or action that violates these rights. Therefore, it is important for every citizen to be aware of their fundamental rights and to exercise them when necessary.